Alright, good morning everyone. In today's lesson we're gonna go over user interfaces, styles, themes, fonts, how to change default fonts for something nicer, and briefly I will go through Spark skinning and skinning of MX components from the previous version of Flash Builder 3. Okay, so let's start with the new application. As you can see, I created a new folder here, styles, fonts, skins. The application is basically empty right now. The default minimum width and height and nothing else. Okay, so first of all, I would like to go through the concept of different styles. For that purpose, I'm gonna drop a button here and a label, and I will show you how to use styles. Okay, let's adjust the width. Okay, so we can see. Let's drop a button here. Okay, and the label. The label is here. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, that's pretty default button and label here. First of all, there are three different options to change the look and feel of this component here. There is the inline style that we can change either from the design view or in the source. If you click on the button, you can see the property of the button, as well as we can see the properties of the application now. Here are the properties of the button: the font, the default font, the size, the font color, and the chrome and focus colors, basically the background color and the rollover color. Okay, so first of all, let's change the button style inside with the inside style, inline style. We can specify font family to something else. Right now we have Arial. Let's specify Verdana. That's the default system font as well on Windows. And font size, let's make it bigger. Let's make it 23 pixels. And we can also specify color of the font. Okay, let's make it white, or maybe some crazy color, like I don't know. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, perfect. Now we have very customized look of the button, but the background is still not that perfect, you know. Like if we change the background to something, yeah, okay, and the focus is gonna be, let's make it lighter. So as you can see, I can specify the parameters here on the design view, or I can specify the parameters inside in the source code. That's the inline styling. Let's run the application to make sure it grabs what it has. Okay, see, perfect. The button changes color on rollover, and that's what we have so far. The same styles I can specify in the skin or in the style of the button. As you can see in the design view here, we have this option right here, convert to CSS. Let's convert to CSS and see what it does basically. Here in convert to CSS we have default style and apply to all components. It's going to apply globally to all buttons we have in the applications. All components with style name. Here we can actually specify the style name. Specific component and specific component with style name, which is button Spark component, which is the perfect option for us. Let's specify the name. My reddish Oh, a CSS must be specified. We don't have CSS right now, so let's define CSS. File name is gonna be we can define the package or just use the default source folder. Okay, let's specify the name, style, finish, hit finish, and here you can see that Flex created style sheet for us right there. Okay, and here's my button. Right now the style sheet is external, and if we go to the source code, you can see that the program added this reference here for the style with source. We can also write internal styles. Let's write one, style. Okay, that's in my internal style sheet, and let's specify something for my label. The same principle applied for all CSS convention names here. Okay, let's make the label lighter and maybe change the font family to Verdana also, and let's change font size to 35 pixels. Oh, here it's giving me the error for the color. Okay, let's pick another color. Okay, D should work. Okay, perfect. So now this label is actually not using my style. For that I need to specify the style name here, which is my label. And let's run it.